adventure begin. Oh, the Kelpie calls from the water's edge when a promise sweet and sly. It'll lure you in with its haunting grace and drown you neath the sky. Beware the dance, beware the tide of the creature's deadly play. For once you're on the Kelpie's back, you'll never see the day. Night by the heathered moors, it waits with bated breath. A trickster's grin on its ghostly face as it lures you to your death. You'll hear the splash, feel the cold, cold grasp as the waters pull you down. And the Kelpies laugh like a distant chime will echo all around. Oh, the Kelpie calls from the water's edge when a promise sweet and sly. It'll lure you in with its haunting grace and drown you neath the sky. Beware the dance, beware the tide of the creature's deadly play. For once you're on the Kelpie's back, you'll never see the day. In the depths of the loch where the secrets lie, the Kelpie waits alone. With tales of old and whispered lies, it carves its heart of stone. But still it sings in the dead of night a song of lure and woe. For those who dare to dance its dance will never let it go. Oh, the Kelpie calls from the water's edge when a promise sweet and sly. It'll lure you in with its haunting grace and drown